Well, hello everyone. Got a Willie's weekend going on here. So we're doing some basic stuff. I'm going to try to keep the talking down to a minimum. But what we're going to do today is we're going to drill and tap the rear end for a drain with a magnet on it. Yippee Skippy, 1/8 MPT. See how that goes. Give you a quick rundown. Last video, I think I showed you the master. It's kind of plumbed up in the front, waiting for the flex lines for the back. We have a new shifter, semi-bolted in there. Don't mind the mess in here. I still have to finish the body harness, but shifter with the standoff seems to be right where I need it. The seat's going to get moved. This thing isn't permanent either. It's just kind of bolted to the floor. These seats are going to get ripped out after the cage is going in. Then we'll, bolt the seat off to the cage and the floor. So whatever, it'll make it movable. But under here today, we're going to hopefully be able to do the drain, clean up this crusty looking rear end, maybe get some paint on it, get rid of these old drums, and we'll take it from there. So I don't know if I know where the mount is for this camera, but I'm going to do my best to try to find it. Stay tuned. Okay, so, yeah, you can kind of see what I was doing over there. We're going to flush the rear end out. Shit works pretty good. Any dust or garbage that was left in there, we'll give it a good wipe. My idea for this would be we get the plug in, get the rear end finished, cleaned up. This is shitty looking. Tape off the gasket area and then throw the center section in, which is waiting. So as you can tell, I didn't find the magnet mount, but I'm gonna wipe this thing out and get the shit out of it. Oh, memento. Okay, we're back. Sorta. Miniature mess. Nothing crazy though. It's all washed out. All right, so I didn't destroy the threads. She's in. So there's our magnet. It's gonna pick up all the garbage. Washed it out, came out pretty good. So wiped it out. Leave that right there. I can't climb under this thing right now because, you know, I'm trapped, but those black marks in there are not debris or anything. It's just the way it is. So we got that going for us. I'm going to tape the face of the gasket surface and spray this. It's, as you can see, looks like it's forged from the fires of hell. But yeah, it's just gonna keep it up a little bit cleaner than it is. I got an order from Motion Raceworks in for some holders for the lines, the brake lines, and the fuel lines. These are going. I should probably cut those right now. Yeah, these are gonna go bye right now. Besides that, I think we're almost ready to put the third member in. It's a really nice unit from Quick Performance, and yeah, I'll give you guys a little info on it when I throw it in. Okay, I'm sure I'm filthy and grease all over me, but that's gonna do it probably for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna line up the flex lines for the calipers on the back, get that all run. My bearing press isn't coming in until like Thursday, so this won't be back on the ground till then. So it is what it is. I'm gonna clean up some lines underneath the car, hook up the shifter cable, get that permanently mounted, wire up the switch on the shifter, and I think that's gonna about do it. So it'll be busy tomorrow. I'll do a quick video, show you guys the progress, but should be able to get some stuff done. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.